Hello and namaste. Welcome to Vani Athena. Standard warning: investment in the security markets are subject to market risks. Read all the documents carefully before investing. प्रतिभूति बाजार में निवेश बाजार जोखिमों के अधीन है. निवेश करने से पहले सभी संबंधित दस्तावेजों को ध्यान से पढ़ें. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to talk about Yes Bank. Is it the dark horse or is it something else? You know, at one time when the shares fell around 5 or 6 rupees, people said Yes Bank is a no bank. But now, has something changed? Let us look into it. First of all, let's look at the chart, which is on your screen. You can see the chart where the price of Yes Bank went up to 400, above 400 in the year 2018. And then it started falling and it fell very sharply until by the year 2020 it had become almost 5 rupees. Now what happened in this stock that share which was running at 400, above 400, suddenly fell down and came and became 5 rupees. It is very important for you to understand the reasons why it fell, so that you can know whether you have to invest, whether this company will make a comeback, whether this 17,700 crore company is a company where you can invest. So before you invest, please see this video. Now Yes Bank floated its public offering, IPO as you say, initial public offering, in 2005, and the issue price was rupees 45, and then it reached an all-time high of 404, and this expansion was remarkable, and so remarkable that it became the fourth largest private bank. Then what happened to this remarkable achievement? In 2019-20, it was noticed that the bank's bad loans was masked, and it amounted to losses. Many people started withdrawing money, and the investor lost confidence in this bank. So the main reasons were, number one, you can say reckless lending practices. The next point was very poor corporate governance and aggressive loan policies. Who was responsible for all this? It was Mr. Rana Kapoor, the CEO of this Yes Bank. He was arrested, prosecuted, and jailed for 4 years due to his alleged involvement in siphoning of funds and approving suspicious loans to entities like Avanti Group, SDIL, Anil Ambani Group. Now, this was, you could say, his weakness, and so the share at that time hit the lowest of 5.65. After that, Mr. Vinay Muralidhar Tonse, he became the managing director and CEO of Yes Bank. But the story becomes interesting. Then the reconstruction and revival started after 2020. The government and the stakeholders thought of a rescue plan, and luckily for us, State Bank of India came in as the lead investor, and a consortium was formed in which major banks, especially private banks like ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank and Axis Bank, they came in to rescue this company. And then you had Japan's Sumitomo Mitsui Banking Corporation coming in and supporting this bank. So this Japan's company bank is acting as its largest shareholder. So now, what is the long-term outlook, and what are the challenges? The challenges, the first thing is there is still the margin pressure. The net interest margin and return on equity, when you compare this with the leading companies, it is still far behind. The ROE stands at 6.86, while the return on assets is 1%, but year-on-year growth for the fiscal year 26 was remarkable because it is 45%. And this is, we can say, very good rescue for Yes Bank, and it has, you can say, successfully passed its survival phase. It was almost going to be closed, but it has survived. So this is a survival story, you can say. Now, this company has a market cap of almost 78,000 crore. If you look at the good things, like it has already touched a 2-year high of 25.4, and the current quarter 4 fiscal year 26 is showing a 45% jump. But whatever the case, make sure that you consult your financial advisor before you do any investment. Now, after looking at all these things, let us once again look back at the chart. So now, since we understand its history, and we can now presume, of course this is not a buy recommendation, but still we can presume that if it crosses 30 to 40 mark, then definitely it will try to reach around 40 to 100 mark, and the next resistance will come between 100, and the path will lead up to 180, after which the path will lead up to 280. But we cannot predict the time, because when it falls, you know very well that the share falls very rapidly, but when it rises, it takes a lot of time. So we are not sure that it will come within a certain period or fixed period of time, but we can expect that one day this share may recover and again come back to its glory. So this is a brief history of Yes Bank. I have tried to give as much details as possible. Now you can decide for yourself after consulting your financial advisors. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so that I can be encouraged to make more videos as such. Once again, thank you very much.